What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Allure July box. If you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so like my makeup looking like butt shit because I put it on this morning. I rushed it on and it just looks like, huh. I did wear the Marc Jacobs mascara that I got in the trim box. Ain't nothing special. It's not worth $27 in my personal opinion. So it's what I'm wearing today, and I'm just kind of like, you know. Also, I think my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box is completely lost because when I check the tracking information, it's sent out by Pitney Bowes. I've never heard of this shipping facility before. I've never even had anything shipped from them. At least I don't recall. But it got sent there on July 8th and it's just been sitting there ever since. It says pre-shipment was sent to my USPS on July 14th and it has not moved since. So I think they're keeping my box, which is really unfortunate because I like to put items into my No Waste Wednesday. So I think I'm going to be reaching out to Ipsy by the end of today saying, hey, what's going on? I think Pitney Bowes stole my box because I think they know I do my No Waste Wednesday. And I think they go, this bitch is going to give these items away. Let me keep it for myself. So I have no idea where they are. So I think in my next couple of videos, I'm just going to unbox my Ipsy, my plus one, my regular one, because I just don't want to keep holding off on that box. And I'm just doing it because I was waiting for my ultimate, and yeah, it's going great. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that as of right now, Bling Brushes has completely restocked their entire Bring on the Bling collection in the silver edition. So this right here is completely restocked. All the silver brushes plus the 24-piece brushes are completely restocked, and the Starry Night collection brushes are also available for pre-order right now. So all these bad boys, I know like I said you wanted these ones right here, these are now available for pre-order. You guys can use code Allie to save you guys 10% off your purchase. I just want to make sure I tell you guys about that yay, brushes are back. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and dive on into the video because every time I do like a BoxyCharm unboxing, I get quite a few comments of people like, oh God, this bitch is so annoying. She doesn't shut up. Just get to the point. Y'all, that shit is just so rude. And it's just getting to the point now that whenever I see those comments, I just delete them. But they kind of make me want to be like, I'm only human. Give me a break, man. If you don't like people rambling on, I even said I was gonna ramble on. Don't watch me. You don't leave a negative comment. Negative Nancy, get out of here. So this is the July edition. So this retails for $15 a month. You typically get about 5 to 6 items in here, sometimes 7. And you're always guaranteed to have 2 full sizes with the rest sample sizes. But I've been lucky before and got 4 full sizes, which I was like, holy shit. It was actually a really cool box. So I'm excited to see what we got in here. This is actually pretty heavy. So let's see. Hopefully it's not a box full of skincare. All right, so the first thing, as always, you get a little catalog right here. Wow, she's beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's stunning. And in here, they tell you about all the products that you will receive in your box. And what I don't like about this is that instead of telling you fully what the product is, how it works for your skin, price point, all that type of stuff, the person who selects it just tells you how the product benefits for them, which can be beneficial. But for me, I just want to know what the product is, how much it retails for, and how it can benefit anybody's skin, not just yours. If that makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So I don't even bother reading that stuff because I just don't. So the first item I see is from Peach and Lily. This is a glass skin refining serum. This is a peach extract and peptide complex. So all right, this retails for $39 and is a poreless, luminous, translucent glass skin is yours. This revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, oh, okay, madecasside, and peptides help to hydrate, brighten, and minimize the appearance of pores, helping you get your clearest, most radiant glass skin. Wow. Okay, well, we love a good poreless moment because, I mean, I don't know how well you guys can see. I mean, God, I can see. Like, look at this one right here. This thing is massive. Like, whew. You could fit like a number 2 pencil right into these craters right in my face. So I have really, really large and large pores. So I like to use products that are really geared towards oily skin and pore-ridden skin and like I guess fine lines and wrinkles can getting there as well. So I'm definitely excited to give this a try. It says to pat on to clean dry skin, can be used AM and PM. So I'm definitely be giving this a try. I wonder if it smells like peaches. Could you imagine? Let's see. Super cute. I think this is the full size. It says the price is $39, and that's another thing I don't like about Allure Beauty. I love Allure Beauty, but I just wish they would tell you, hey, full size, hey, sample size. I wish they would just like kind of tell you. That'd be really beneficial. Ooh, comes out clear. You smell like nothing. Always a good sign. This is a 100% worry-free, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Has no sulfates, synthetic fragrances, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes and colorants, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, and more. This one was also vegan and gluten-free. We never test on animals. Wait, I'm gonna sound so stupid, but do they put formaldehyde in products? Like, isn't that like what you use to like embalm people? Is that what we do to our skin? Here's the skincare, but I'm actually excited about this one because it's geared towards pores. So that is really cool, and I think this is actually a full-size bottle. I believe it's a full size. So $39 for $15. Can't beat it. All right, the next product is from... It's another skincare. OC? OC. This is an Ocean Cleanser, Mineralize and Balance. Okay, bioavailable formulas rich in earth and ocean essence deliver powerful skin solutions. Passion run by our family since 1996. Oh, that's cute. It's vegan and cruelty free. It's gluten and it's made in California. And it says for normal, dry, and combo. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energizes skin and awakens the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. So a massage into damp skin, rinse with warm water. It removes makeup morning and night, but it's for normal, dry, and combo. Well, you know what? That is okay, because at night I don't mind using anything that's for like normal, dry, and combo, because at night I'm not really worried if I get oily. Like, I don't really care if I get oily, because I mean I'm just going to bed. But this retails right here for $48. Wow. Is this the full size? That smells like a lemon lime. That smells like lemon lime, and that smells really good. Does not smell like the ocean though. Don't be tricking me. I know what the ocean smells like, but okay, not bad, not bad. I don't think this is okay, this is not the full size, because full size in the photo is 5 fluid ounces, 150 milliliters, but this is 8 fluid ounces, 18 milliliters. Oh, this is 0.6. I read that wrong. Little tiny little point. So 0.6 fluid ounces, 18 milliliters. So this is definitely not the full size. So the full size of this does retail for $48. So is that the other one I got? Is that full size? Doesn't show on there. Okay, cool. Alrighty. Well, not bad. The next product is from Bionatonic Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm right here. So this retails for $16. I believe this is definitely a full size in here, and it is a lip and butter combo. It's a lip and cheek combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add this into my No Waste Wednesday. I'm not even gonna bother opening it, and the reason being is that I know for a fact that I do not like cheek and lip combo duos. I've never been like a big fan of them. I keep getting the Wander Beauty one, and it's really like you have like a cheek tint that could also go on your lips, and I just don't really care for the creamy formula. It's great for lips, but I never ever use it for the cheeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. Yay! The next product is from Dr. Jart Plus. This is every Sunday mineral sunscreen. Oh my god, they gave me like the tiniest little sample. Okay, so the full size of this retails for $39, and you could have gotten this or the Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream, which I've actually already gotten that before. So this is a little sample of sunscreen. I'm gonna go ahead and just smell it, because I love the smell of Taurus on my skin. They always smell the best. Aw, that's sad. This doesn't smell like sunscreen. That's lame. That is so lame. One of my favorite things about working at Disney in the summer, well, actually just kind of like working at Disney in general, which, by the way, I'm still not back yet. I don't think I'm honestly going back until maybe August or September. I really think it can go even further, just really depending, because until Disney opens up how many guests are allowed in the park, my restaurant can't open up any further than what it's at. So at the time being, I'm just kind of stuck where I am. But whenever I go to work, I love the smell of sunscreen because it just reminds me of being at the beach and at the water parks and being at the pool. And it's just such a refreshing smell. Like, it's so crazy whenever guests, which they do all the time, like to sit there and spray their sunscreen at the table, getting it all over the food, all over the guests behind them. I'm always standing there going like this because it smells so good. So this is a disappointment, but I mean, I'm always down to try out new sunscreen because a bitch needs it. All right, next we have these, a little pamphlet about what we got. There is an acne cover patch. It has 8 clear patches made with Kika, tea tree, and calendula oil. So I think it's just like a little sample thing in here. I mean, it could be the product. I'm actually not. Oh, it's just on the back right here. So I'm going to go ahead and also put this into my No Waste Wednesday. The only reason why I'm saying that is because I don't really get acne that often. And if I do, it's pretty weird. But I like to do like old school, where I take a little bit of toothpaste and I put on the pimple at night. And when I wake up in the morning, it's completely shrunken down. The redness has gone away. And you just got to let it run its course. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday because there's eight patches in here. So hopefully somebody gets a good use out of it. And last but not least, we have a charcoal pore care from Lacoste right here. I actually have already received this mask before in this box. I believe I've already gotten this. So this right here retails for $3, which is the full size. So it seems to me like we only got maybe 3 full sizes, at least 2 full sizes for sure, but maybe 3. But I already know that this is one of those ones you just like place on your face and then you slowly peel off. I've already used this before. I don't mind it, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday because maybe somebody else out there has just as much pore issues as I do, and hopefully someone gets a good use out of it. Plus, I have a ton of masks. I don't need to add any more to my collection at this point. But that seems to be everything that we got into this box, and I only got 1 makeup product. So I know some of you guys have said in my comments in my box return video that you guys really don't mind getting skincare. You guys actually love getting skincare, and I respect that so much. But for me, I have so many subscription boxes. I get 3 BoxyCharms a month. I get 2 Ipsies. I get the Allure. I get Birchbox. And I think I'm getting Blocky. I think I'm also getting Glossy Box and Chic Beauty Box. And I just get so many a month that I get way too much skincare. And as great as skincare can be, I literally have 2 full drawers of it, so I don't need to keep adding to my collection. So I definitely am going to start just at this point putting all the skincare that I get, unless I really want it, into my No Waste Wednesday so that somebody else can get a better use. But I'm really comforted knowing that there's so many of you guys I see in my comment section that are really tired of getting skincare as well. And I'm going to say this until like I'm blue in the face, but I really think they're giving us so much skincare because right now with COVID-19, I think it's really hard for makeup production to be happening. I know there are makeup launches, but they're definitely few and far between. I mean, like y'all know, ColourPop is notorious for releasing a collection every single week, and they've only released like 1, I think, or 2 at most. They haven't really released anything at all, and I know it's because of what's going on in the world, and I do think that products are really hard to come by. Maybe shipping and handling, getting it over here and overseas is really hard to come by. So I think that's why they're like putting so much skincare in these boxes, because they're having such a hard time getting their hands on makeup. And I actually can really understand that. Is it frustrating as a consumer? Absolutely, it's frustrating as a consumer because, you know, we sign up for these boxes to get makeup and we don't. But I'm also very understanding that, you know what, it's out of our hands right now. What's going on in the world right now is definitely way more important than just a box full of skincare. Like it really is. But I definitely understand everybody's frustration because I'm right there with you. But I also understand from like a business standpoint why they're doing what they're doing. And I know that eventually when things slowly start to open back up and things start to get back to normal just a little bit, I think we'll start to see more makeup inside these boxes. That's what I'm gonna definitely keep hanging on to because I have such high hopes. So yeah, even though this box is definitely not the best, I've definitely had a lot more better Allure beauty boxes for sure. I can appreciate the fact that even though there's boxes full of skincare, they did put some skincare products that are geared more towards my concerns, aka the pore side of my skin. I know there's one that's, you know, for dry, combo, normal, But I am so appreciative of the fact that this stuff that's in here definitely has some pore filling properties that can help to minimize the appearance of pores. And I really can respect that because that's what I need. I'm tired of freaking eye cream. So I'm very grateful there's no eye cream in here. But yeah, like I said, whenever my next box comes in, my Ipsy, I'll do a review. If you guys just want me to just do the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus just by itself, let me know in the comments below because I'm more than happy to do that. I do have 2 videos coming up that are geared just for makeup only because I got some really cool products to try out for you guys. But I'll definitely do like an Ipsy unboxing, or I'll mix it with something else. Just let me know because it's just sitting there behind me just going like, bitch, do you even care? Do you even care about me? You know, I'm like, I do care. I want to know what you are. So just let me know in the comments below because at this point I might just film a video and just say screw it. You know, I'll knock away from my other boxy charm to come in, or my Pitney Bowes product at this point. But you know, it is what it is. I'm like, it's all cool. It's all chill. So that's just my very short video for you guys. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for the Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures, amazing fiance Corey, which he's actually working on our videos right now as we speak. And yeah, guys, I seriously just want to thank you guys seriously so much for all the love and support. You guys have no idea how much it means to me, how much it means to like the small businesses I've been promoting. You guys literally have no idea what you guys do and how you guys are changing the face of the beauty community. And I cannot thank you guys enough. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye. How do you get open? Alrighty. God, my makeup looks like shit today. Oh God, it looks so horrible. Yeah. Okay. They're new. And so yeah, guys, this is just a very short video. So I hope you guys please get this. Yeah, guys, it's just a very short video. So make sure you guys get this video. So you guys, it's just a really short video for today.